The topic we are going to see is about election, political parties, and pressure groups. This is taken from Civics second lesson. Election is a formal decision making process by which people choose the leaders to hold public office by voting. The electoral system in India was adopted from the system followed in UK. India is a socialist, secular, democratic republic and the largest democracy in the world. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Do you know what type of system was used for election in the olden days? Yes, none other than the Kudavolai system. Kudavolai was the system of voting followed during the Chola period in Tamil Nadu. Kudavolai system was the name of the secret ballot method exercised to elect members to the village council. Nota. The meaning of nota is none of the above. Nota was first introduced in the general election held in 2014. India is the 14th country in the world to introduce nota. If the people are not interested in electing any representatives, then they press the button for nota. That means they are not interested in selecting any candidate. Next, types of election. We have two types of election. First one is the direct election and the indirect election. People directly vote for the candidates and elect their representatives. People above the age of 18 years can cast their votes. Lok Sabha elections in which the members of parliament are elected. Elections to the state legislative assemblies in which members of the legislative assemblies are elected. Elections to the local self-governing bodies, that is, such as village panchayat, town panchayat, municipalities, municipal corporations, are conducted by the State Election Commission. Indirect election. Voters elect the representatives who in turn elect the representative. This method of election is followed for the election of the President of India. Political parties. What is a political party? A political party is an organization formed by a group of people with certain ideology and agenda to contest election and hold power in the government. A political party has a leader, the active members, and the followers. We have three types of political parties. First one is the single party system, two party system, and the multi party system. Single party system means one ruling party exists and there is no opposition party. Example of this can be found in China, Cuba, and former USSR. Two-party system is where you have two major parties that exist in a country. Example, USA, UK. Multi-party system is where you have more than two political parties in the country. Example, India, Sri Lanka, France, and Italy. Types of political parties. The political parties are divided into national political party and state political party. The national political party is divided into ruling party and opposition party. Same way with the state political party, which is divided into ruling party and the opposition party. National party. A party which is recognized as a state party in at least 4 states. Every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. In 2017, there were 7 recognized national parties. State party. Other than 7 national parties, most of the major parties of the country are classified as state party. A party is recognized as a state party by the Election Commission. Opposition party. The party which receives the majority of votes is called the ruling party, and the party which receives a little less number of votes is called the opposition party. The leader of the opposition party occupies a prominent place in the government. He enjoys the rank of a cabinet minister. He opposes the wrong policies of the ruling party. Pressure groups. The term pressure group originated in USA. A pressure group is a group of people who are organized actively for promoting and defending their common interests. It is so called as it attempts to bring a change in the public policy by exerting pressure on the government. The pressure groups in India can be broadly classified into the following categories: business groups, trade union, professional associations, student organization, religious organizations, etc. The examples for pressure groups are Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, All India Trade Union Congress, AITUC, All India Kisan Sabha, Indian Medical Association, IMA, All India Students Federation, AISF, Tamil Sangam, etc.